Keeping hair tangle-free can be a challenge on a good day. But if you've been stuck at home in your jammies, chances are you've got some bigger tangles to deal with. Try our 2 Naughty leave-in conditioner. This conditioner works so well at detangling and moisturizing the hair. It also removes static, and it will never cause a buildup on the hair. You can use it on wet or dry. Give that a spray first, and if you're working on wet hair, use a wide tooth comb beginning at the ends of the strands and work your way up to avoid breakage. If you're working on dry hair, try a detangling brush like the wet brush. Again, starting under the tangles and working your way up. This reduces pulling and fights. Once you have all the tangles out, keep the hair tangle free by braiding it loosely. This is ideal before bedtime or just for playtime. But it will help keep the hair nice and smooth while your kids play or toss and turn in their sleep, and helps prevent new tangles. And if you don't know how to braid, try a faux braid with elastics.